Hi, Mr. E. What's the matter?
I'm sad because I have run out of toys to sell. The Everything Emporium is toyless.
Maybe we could build some toys for you.
I have a special toy-making machine we can use.
We'll be right back with some toys, Mr. E. Let's go! What kind of toy do you want to create? A vehicle, stuffy, or a toy house? Choose a toy to create. Toy house. Let's make Mr. E another toy house. You can also make your own toy here. Mr. E wants a house in a wagon. This toy house must have a brown door, must be small enough to fit in a wagon, and must have a body with lights powered by a battery. Tap the check mark when you're ready to create.
Let's start with this part of the toy. Choose the body of the toy house.
Cool.
Add battery power to make it light up.
Make more changes to the toy, or tap the check mark when you're done.
Make it smaller. Paint it brown. Paint it pink. Thumbs up! Let's choose the next part of the toy. Choose a door.
Ooh. Yeah!
Make it smaller. Paint it brown. Make it smaller. You are working it out. Time to choose the last part of the toy. Choose an accessory.
Ooh.
Make it bigger. Paint it orange.
When this toy has everything Mr. E asked for, tap the arrow button to see the toy-making machine build this toy. Building time!
Building the body. Add battery power to make it light up. Make it smaller. Paint it pink. Building the door. Make it smaller. Paint it brown. Make it smaller. Building the accessory. Make it bigger. Paint it orange.
Awesome design!
It's time to test the toy. What do you and your grown-up think will happen?
Tap the green play button when everyone's ready to start the test.
Does this toy house have a brown door?
Yes!
Is this toy house small enough to fit in a wagon?
Yes!
Does this toy house have a body with lights powered by a battery?
Yes! Woohoo! This toy has everything Mr. E asked for. You can change your design or tap the check mark to give the toy to Mr. E to sell at the Everything Emporium.
Yes! This toy has everything I asked for!